Namaskar. I'm going to explain the method of enzymatic dissociation of hair follicle stem cell. What we need is the hair follicle. These are the hair follicle, maybe 150 to 200 hair follicle we harvest during the hair transplant procedure. These hair follicle can be transected, partially transected, and we can take few healthy hair follicle as well. Then these hair follicles are put in the trypsin solution, and this goes to an incubator for 90 minutes at 37 degrees centigrade. Then we do the centrifuge, and then after centrifuge we get the cellular pellets of the stem cells, and then we put it in a saline, or we can put it in the PRP, and then we can inject it. So I'm going to explain now the entire procedure in the video format. The trypsin, what you can get it either from a company or those who supply these reagents to the laboratory. So they have, I get it from the Merck trypsin EDTA solution. You can order them, and another is MCDB153 media. The Merck company has got, or in your country you can order and you can inquire about with whom these are available. But they are available. Usually they come in a 100 ml bottle, but every time you can't fill in because it is going to affect the sterility. So the trypsin EDTA 0.5% solution and zero point 0.2 EDTA, few syringes are filled from 100 ml container for day-to-day use and store them at less than 4-degree temperature. This is the method. We have taken the hair follicle, wash them properly, remove all the debris, transfer to a tube having the trypsin solution into it. If you are using the dry powder, then you use the MCDB media, or if you have a liquid solution as I use it, then you transfer all these hair follicles, just shake it for the mechanical enhancement, and this you put in an incubator at 37-degree temperature for 90 minutes. And during this period, at every 20 minutes interval, you take out and do the forceful shaking of the tube for mechanical enhancement of the dissociation. After 90 minutes, you get it. You can see the color of the solution has changed. It has become black. Now you do it microfilter, and you can see all these hair follicle are left only with the hair stalk. That shows that all the hair follicle got dissociated, stem cell got dissociated from the hair follicle. And when you centrifuge it for 5000 rpm for 16 minutes, you get the cellular pellets at the bottom. Then you take it out the supernatant. Then again you put the saline into it to neutralize that remaining trypsin, and you second time you do the centrifuge again for 16 minutes for 5000 rpm. Then this cellular pellet is mixed with the saline. Sometimes it is difficult that this cellular pellet does not mix it by using the needle. You can crush, you can mix in the saline, and then you can inject in the area where the transplant has been not been done. Also you can send it for the laboratory testing. These are the hair follicle. You can do the cell count, you can do CD marker study, and trypsin blue cell viability test can be done as well. This you need not to do in every sample. When once you start using it, to confirm that your procedure is successful, you do initially and in between also to check that the procedure what you are doing is correct or not, or is there any mistake. So that's how we conducted this study. This was ISHRS research grant received, and this is going to be published soon in Forum International. In front and mid scalp area, we did the hair transplant. In the crown area, this stem cell hair follicle elixir was injected. Patient was not on minoxidil or anything. That's how this study was conducted. If you have any query, you can talk to me or you can reach me. I'm Dr. Anil Garg. My email address is anil@anilgarg.com. I'm from India. Thank you.